With the nursing school's strong international network, I look forward to being employed in Malaysia, with the possibility of attaining some international experience as well.
Psychological and emotional care is an important aspect to nursing, which is often overlooked. You know, people recover faster when the care given is holistic in nature.
I've always had the desire to care for people. With the full sponsorship I received from Sunway Medical Center, I've realized my dream and assured of employment.
It's a holistic learning with Sunway's nursing course. With psychology, sociology and communication skills, local and international networking, our graduates not just make great nurses, they are internationally sought after. Sunway University, truly a class above.